Hello everyone, welcome back to Chinese with Tabssum. I hope you are doing great and practicing Chinese every day. Today we are going to start HSK 2 Chapter 8. 让我想想再告诉你. Let me think about it and I will tell you later. First of all, we have a little warm up activity. Hi means color, black color. The answer is C. Tianchi means weather. The answer is A. Yundong means exercise. The answer is A. Pu Yuan, it's mean the waiter. The answer is F. Dung, it's mean to wait. The answer is B. Bai, it's mean white. The answer is E. Tianchi mean weather. So the answer is D. So let's moving forward over first text. 第一课在家里 in the classroom. 我们下午就看电影好吗? Let's go to see a movie this afternoon, shall we? 今天下午我没有时间. I am not free this afternoon, or I haven't time this afternoon. 明天下午再出吧. Let's go tomorrow afternoon. 你想看什么电影? Which movie you like to see? 让我想想再告诉你. Let me think about it. I will tell you later. New words. We have three new words here. Zai means again, once. Ràng, to let, to allow. Gàosu, to tell. So, our next text. The second paragraph. 第二课外边天气很好. It's a nice day outside. 我们出去运动运动吧. Let's go to out, exercise. 你等等我. Please wait for me for a minute. 好吗? Will you? 王老师让我给 David 打电话. Professor Wang asked me to give David a call. 后来在大巴 call him afternoon we come back. 找 David 有什么事情吗? What's the matter about David? 听说 David 病了. I heard that David is sick. 我想找时间去看看他. I want to visit him sometime. Dung means to wait. 找 to look for. 事情 thing, matter. Now we have a third text. 第三课服务员. Excuse me, waiter. 服务员 means waiter. 我房间的门打不开了. I can't open my door. 您住哪房间? Which room do you stay in? 314 room number 317. 好的 okay. 我叫人去看看. I will send someone to have a look. 服务员 in the new words. 服务员 it's mean the waiter or waitress. Now we have a last text in the store. 你看看这几件衣服怎么样? What do you think of these dresses? 这件白的有点长. This white one is little bit long too. 那件黑的有点贵. That black one is a bit expensive. 这件红的呢? What about this red one? 这是今天新来的. This one has just got here today. Ràng was I khan, thanks I will look around. New words buy white, hai black. Koi means expensive or too expensive. So that's all for today's class. If you enjoy this class, please like, share and subscribe to Chinese with Tabssum for more HSK lesson. Practice a little Chinese every day and you will improve step by step. Thank you for watching. Bye bye. Zaijian.